In today's video, I'll show you how to share YouTube Premium. To share YouTube Premium, you need to be subscribed to the family plan, not the individual plan, and you must be the family manager. With this plan, you can invite up to 5 family members aged 13 and above who live in the same household. First, go to YouTube. Once you're on the homepage, click your profile icon at the top right. Next, click Purchases and Memberships, then select Manage Membership. From here, find Family Sharing and click Edit. Then tap Send Invitations. Enter or paste the email address of the person you want to invite and click Send. The invited person just needs to open the email or SMS invitation and click the link to join your family group. And that's it! That's how you share YouTube Premium.